Hey, what's up? How you doing? My name's Johnface Moto. You're tuning in to check out a video on temporary doorknobs when you're hanging doors or cabinetry. That you can operate the door when you don't have either the knobs on, or if you're hanging doors, it gets frustrating sometimes when you're trying to fit the door after you hang it, and you're grabbing for something, the edge, but sometimes it doesn't work out. I found an easy way. I know a lot of other people do this, but this is kind of geared for like DIYers that don't really know this stuff. I just take some blue tape, stick it on there, leave yourself a flap so you can operate it, and then it doesn't mess up your door. During the construction phase, you can just peel it off after you got your knobs and stuff on. It works especially good on cabinets, before you drill out your knobs and stuff. You're fumbling for the edge, trying to open it. And so you can stick the tape on there too. Make sure you use the blue tape, the painted tape. You don't want to use duct tape or anything that's going to leave a residue. It just makes more work for you later on down the road. But I just thought I'd do a quick video on this. If you can, give this video a like, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you on the next one.